investment is becoming more and more popular, and more consumers are asking the question, what does it mean? Well, in reality, ethical investment has really evolved into what we might now term sustainable investing, or environment, social and governance investing, or ESG investing. And there is a difference. Ethical investment historically really meant discounting companies who operated in sectors that a consumer might not like. So people who are involved in the production of armaments or tobacco. And an investment manager would simply discount those companies from a client portfolio. Of course, by discounting those companies, the client loses out on the potential return that they like. The client ends up in a conflicted position. They'd like to invest ethically, but they don't want to lose out on the investment returns that can be created. So the industry has evolved off the back of that and started to look at things on a more sustainable basis, or ESG basis, environment, social, governance. So a company may be assessed on the positive impact they might make on any of those sectors. So by having a broad spread of people who sit on your board who have a multitude of different backgrounds. It allows a company, as an example, to have input from different types of people, which gives it the best chance of coming up with the best ideas and conducting itself in the best manner. A company that doesn't involve itself with child labour, for example, is less likely to be fined, and therefore their profits might be greater. A company doing positive things for the environment is less likely to be wasteful, and therefore if it's less likely to be wasteful, there's a chance that its profits will improve. So really the investment industry is putting pressure on companies to create positive choices all the way from board level down to the day-to-day activities of the company. The belief is that these positive impacts will improve profitability and create better companies. A fund manager offering a portfolio that has a sustainable or ESG basis will not only look at the financial performance of the company, but they'll look at their stance on these various factors. Where they feel they're making sufficient positive impact, they will look to include them within their client portfolios. So whilst you might invest in something that is not perfect, what you can end up investing is things that are taking a positive impact on the communities that we all live in. Hence why ESG, or sustainable investing, is becoming more and more popular. So if you're looking for more information regarding our services, you can find us at www.carpenterboxfa.com, or of course we'd be happy to speak with you over the phone. Best contact number for us is 01903 534 587. Thanks very much.